Senator Rick Scott joins us right now, Republican senator from the beautiful state of Florida. Senator, thank you for taking the time.
Oh, yes. Don't you just feel sorry for all these families that are going through this? One, they might be losing their jobs right now or don't know what's going to happen. But number two, they're scared to death if they're going to get test positive. So my heart goes out to everybody. And we all now, seems like we all know somebody that passed away. And that's going to impact all of our families. So my heart goes out to everybody.
Do you also look at this, the economic impact? I guess it was one of the reasons why Governor DeSantis held off as long as he could on the stay-at-home measures. But now you have the measures in effect, and now you have policing the beaches to make sure people don't gather in groups of 10 or more. That this could get worse, a lot worse.
Oh, Neil, I was on the phone with a lot of businesses yesterday, and people are just scared to death. Here's the positive. We as a country now, we are taking drastic action. We see what's going on in New York now. We see that people are dying. We see the growth in the cases. So my experience in talking to people all over Florida are people are taking this very seriously now. They are staying home if they can, and they're getting tested if they can. It's frustrating right now. We still don't have enough testing sites up. We can't get results quickly. So the testing process around my state, and I think around the country, still has a lot of work to do, because people want to quarantine if they know they're positive, but people are waiting 10 days, as much as 10 days to get a result. We got to get this fixed. So there's a lot of people scared of what's going on right now, but I'm optimistic that we're gonna figure this out. Look, our healthcare system is a great healthcare system. They are going to figure out how to treat patients. When they do, that's going to alleviate a lot of concern people have.
Senator, your colleague Marco Rubio had looked at the economic impact of this, to say nothing of folks who are scared, to your point. He said, we've got unemployed, pissed off people. They can't get benefits, and when they get them, they're not going to be enough. Right now, these are the folks who are looking to this crisis. Right now, Charlie Crist was hurt by a bad economy. Republicans, he says, might be in the same position right now. Do you worry about that?
Yeah. Well, I mean, look, I'm worried about people. This is not about politics. This is about how do you help every family. I went through hurricanes. I went through mass shootings. I went through the Zika crisis. I ran a big company. There's always going to be a crisis. And what's going to happen is people are going to come together, and they always do. Families do it. Communities do it. Churches are involved. Government can be helpful. We're going to get through this. And I think the key is going to be if we all understand that we cannot get infected. We just can't. Every person says to himself, I am going to not get infected, then this will stop. And that's what's going to happen. And thank God we have these healthcare workers and that people are stocking our groceries and things like that, because, they're the ones that are making sure we can all survive while we figure out how to treat these patients.
All right, Senator Scott. Hopefully, this doesn't go on forever. So we'll see what happens here. But Senator, thank you very much
figure this out.
For checking in with us.